Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 40 of solving 100 questions on SQL. And the question we are going to solve today is top pool votes, and this question got asked in Yelp. So the question is, find the review text that received the highest number of pool votes, output the business name along with the review text with the highest number of pool votes. Okay, so let's quickly see the table. So we have this table, Yelp reviews. We have business name, review ID, user ID, and then we have pool votes here as well. So we have review text also. So we have to find out which review text got maximum number of pool votes. Okay, and then we have to find the print business name and that review text. Okay, so yeah, so let's see how we are going to solve this problem. What we are going to do, we are going to write down review text, and we are going to do what? Every unique review text, see, a review text can get votes multiple times. Okay, this review text can appear multiple times because some user has a review given pool text. Okay, so for each unique review text, we have to find out number of votes. That is the first thing we are going to do. That is the number of pool votes. Okay, so I'm going to do what? I'm going to do group by on review text. Okay, and here I'm going to put sum of pool votes. Let's name this as pool votes. And we need to mention business name as well. So I'm going to write down business name here. Now let's run this. So we have this business name. This is the review text. This got 1 pool votes. This got 0. This got 0, 1, 2, and so on. Okay. Now what we need to find, basically need to find those review text where it has maximum number of pool votes. So what we are going to do, we are going to rank these review text based on the number of pool votes it has received using window function. So the window function I'm going to use is rank, and the over clause I'm going to mention order by sum of pool in descending order. Right? Let's name this as RN. Now let's run this. So see, this review text got 10 votes, and this is the maximum. That is why RN value is. This review text again got 10 votes, so this is also 1. Now this is 7, so this is 3. In rank, we know how it works, so I hope you are understanding why it is coming as 3, not 2. If you don't know, you can visit my YouTube video. It is available on window function where you can understand how rank and other window function works. I'll put the link in the description. Okay. So yeah. So now we have business name, review text, pool votes, and rank value. Here we have to select only that review text that has received highest number of pool votes. And as we can see, these two review text has received highest number of pool votes. So we have to show these two only. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this inside at CTE as, and here I'm going to write down select. We have to show only business name as mentioned in the question and review text. We do not have to show the number of votes it has received. Okay. Then I'm going to put condition where RN is equal to 1. Now let's run this. Okay. I have forgot to mention for CTE. Now let's run this. So yeah. So this business name and these review texts are coming here. So this is, we have solved the problem and we got our answer. Now let's see the expected output. So yeah, it is same, it is matching because these two review texts got the maximum number of votes. That is why these two are coming. So this is how we have solved this problem using rank function and comment well expression. Hope you understood it. Now let's submit it. So our solution got submitted. So yeah, our question is complete. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. If you have more solution to this, you can put that too in the comment section. Hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.